Hi, Kuya Yuan!
Hi!
Ready ka na bang hulaan what's inside the box?
I'm ready.
Okay, so for the instructions, meron tayong 4 na layers. Tapos kung makikita mo dyan sa harapan mo, may butas wherein ipapasok mo yung kamay mo at huhulaan mo kung ano ang nasa loob. Are you ready?
Yes!
Yan. Okay, so let's start with the first layer.
Ew! Ayan! Parang liquid siya.
Okay, clue. Minsan nilalaro mo to pag mag-isa ka.
Parang siyang slime?
Correct!
Yes!
First layer, correct!
Is it spider?
Wow! Correct, go! Kunin mo!
Ayan ka!
Kunin mo!
Yay!
Ina para sa third layer?
Yes!
Okay, let's start in 3, 2, 1, go!
Snake? Snake? Ew! Ew!
Pakita.
Oh my god, it's a snake!
Correct! Okay, Yuan, ready ka na ba sa pinaka-exciting part na layer ng box?
Of course!
Okay, so kung makikita mo, merong 2 holes sa side. Ipapasok mo yung kamay mo dyan at huhulaan mo what's inside, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start in 3, 2, 1, go!
Wow! Eggnogs and chocolate bits! This is my favorite! My toys inside? Ito, can I open it, please?
Sure!
Wow, my toys! Snacks! Wow!
Okay lang yun!
Yummy! Chacha Beats! Chacha Beats! With toys and snacks! Thank you, Knickknacks and Chacha Beats!